Hello everybody, this is Lloyd from Bizzfo, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how easy it is to get going and set up your Bizzfo point of sale. I'm going to import some products, I'm going to set up buttons, and I'm going to show you how to then transfer that to your Windows point of sale, your cloud-based point of sale, and also your Android-based point of sale. Let's see if we can do this in roughly 5 minutes. So here we go. First off, what you want to do is you've created your account. You want to go to your file, and I'm going to work with branch 1. On branch 1, we want to select a template we want to import, and there's a stock import, simple import template. The normal is the advanced one. It's got quite a lot of fields, but I just want to show you how to get going first. Stock import file, and what you do is you click on template, and it will download the template for you. Now, if I open up that template, let me just quickly show you what it looks like. We've already set up some products for you. So basically, this is your product. This is your unit measurements. Just keep it unit or kgs. You've got a cost and a retail price, quite simple. A barcode and an item code. Barcodes would be could be from the bar one or anything you want to enter in here, and this could be internal codes. Then the important part is your group and your category setup. I don't often use subcategories, so just as a simple measure, and keep in mind I'm going to show you how to set up buttons as well, so keep this from a reporting perspective quite simple. So we've got beans, mocha, java, we've got some hot drinks, we've got cool drinks, water, we've got some snacks, and then food, and then my suppliers, where I'm getting this from. So this is a simple setup. So let's get this into the system. Let's take this one, and then I'm going to upload it. All right, perfect. So once it's in the system, I can go to inventory. I can go and refresh, and I can see my items are all listed. Again, as a tip, the orange part can be edited. But what I want to show you is just how to get going quickly. At the top, we can see there's pause buttons. I'm going to go to pause buttons, and then for branch 1, I want to do is click the add button. I'm going to list all these items. I want all of them to be buttons. Select all of them, click on my plus, and go back, and these are my products. Fantastic. So the orange part, I can group and change these products into different categories. Again, I'm just going to leave them as is. These are my actual products. They're not orange. I can't change them. And I can actually change my prices from here, or I can do it within my inventory section. Now, create Hive buttons. This is an important one. I'm going to click on this button. And the moment this is done, I've just set up my entire cloud-based point of sale. So on the front-end side, there is a cloud POS, which you can click, and we've just done the button setup. So this will open a new browser, and here's my cloud-based point of sale. Good. I'm going to click on my buttons. I'm just going to click on home, and here we go. Here's all the items I've just listed. There we go. Some canned Coke, and let's just do one more. Hot drinks, espresso. So guys, super simple, super fast. I've just done this in less than 5 minutes. But let me take you to the Android-based point of sale and just show you what that looks like. All right, perfect. There's just a slip I can print. Now on the maybe let's start with the Windows one. Quite simple. Now on the Windows side of things, I've downloaded and installed my Windows-based point of sale, a 64-bit version. I got to this page. This is my onboarding page. So right at the bottom, you can click on onboard and then scroll and download this point of sale. Once you've got it up and running, you simply just click and log in. And let me show you what I do. I'm going to go to Hive, the inventory. On the inventory, we can see it's blank. I'm going to go to, let's go file. I think it's file import. I'm going to go to Hive, and I'm saying all products. Perfect. So there we go. There's all my products imported. I've just clicked, refiltered. And what I want to do next is I want to get the buttons on this point of sale going as well. So point of sale, we go button setup. On the button setup, this is our typical setup, which is manual. Very, very powerful. But in this case, I just want to show you, I want to get my buttons that I've created on my point of sale or Hive, override pause buttons. Very important. If you use this feature, all buttons will be overridden, even your manual buttons that you've set up. Go. There we go. That's done. Let's go to point of sale and let's do a new sale. And there we go. There's my beans, mocha java. I'm doing 1 kilogram. Let's go back. Let's do snacks, nuts, almonds, and let's do one more food, muffins. There we go. All right, so your Windows-based point of sale is also set up. Again, if this was the only one, less than 5 minutes. And let's quickly do our Android-based point of sale. I'm just running a Windows version of it, but just to show you that you can go to your Bizzfo, download your Bizzfo app, and do the sign up. On this page, you go sign in, select your branch, leave all settings as is, and then what you want to go is you're going to go to setup, import your buttons. It's replacing all the buttons, and then I go to pause setup, and there we go. There's my full point of sale. Let's take something else. We haven't used espresso. There we go. As simple as that. So guys, super simple. Follow the simple template, get your buttons going, and within 5 minutes you can trade on all three our platforms. So the power of Bizzfo. Perfect. All right, guys, any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and let us know if there's any questions.